Welcome back to another video where we'll talk about 10 inventions that will blow your mind. Hope you enjoy this video and subscribe to our channel before starting this video. It is not unusual for new technology to emerge each year with the purpose of making our lives easier. They install newer and more sophisticated technologies in lieu of the older ones that were previously in use. However, there are a handful of them that really blow our heads. The fact that many of these new developments are still in their infancy and have not yet made their way into the mainstream may come as a surprise to you given the fact that it will take some time for them to do so. Here are best inventions that will blow your mind. Let's begin. Number 1. Paqsule. This is an intelligent bag that can clean both itself and the contents inside of it. Your company employs UV lamps and ozone to accomplish its packing, which kills any germs that could be present and gets rid of any stench. After each cleaning cycle, which lasts for a total of 35 minutes, the ozone is converted into oxygen, and the odor gradually becomes less unpleasant. Controlling Paqsule is done using an application available for iOS and Android devices, and the software tells users when the cleaning process is complete. You may place a $229 pre-order for this peculiar piece of technology. Number 2. Rebirth. The treadmill is situated at the bottom of an ergonomic body of water, making it not just an exercise machine, but also an aquarium and a jacuzzi in one. In addition, one of the walls has a futuristic command center that contains all the pertinent information. Running is the primary focus of the workouts. The gadget, despite the resistance generated by the liquid, reduces the impact that jogging has on the body. When a person is running while carrying water up to their chest, their weight is reduced by 80%. Achieving an effect that is almost identical to weightlessness. There is no information available on the current pricing of this item. Number 3. Smart Shoe. The capacity of these athletic shoes to keep the wearer's feet warm on the chillier days of the year is the primary benefit that they provide. In addition, the shoes are able to keep track of the total number of steps taken as well as the number of calories expended during the day. These high-tech shoes do not come with shoelaces, but they can still be knotted owing to a mechanical system that is controlled by a smartphone that is linked to the shoe through Bluetooth. In the forefront of the shoes is a little LED light bulb that, when activated, will illuminate your path through the darkness. The cost of a pair of high-tech sneakers comes in at $450. Number 4. TReGo. Recently, a 3-wheeled adult bicycle was introduced onto the market. This gadget combines a detachable cart that is able to support a weight of up to 55 pounds without sacrificing the typical mobility of a bike. A 2-wheel cart built of lightweight and robust aluminum supplies, boxes, drawers, bags, and other stuff has been installed in front of the bicycle in lieu of the front wheel of the bicycle. The same mobility that will please developers will also please elderly folks, housekeepers, postal workers, and individuals who have trouble lifting large goods. The tree person could be pre-ordered for the price of $635 before he was released. Number 5. SCORKL. This is an air-filled balloon that has been compressed. The fact that the user may fill the air balloon with air using a pump is a specific advantage provided by this design. The apparatus is really simple. The balloon is maintained in place with the mouth, and there is a series of valves that enables the user to operate underwater while maintaining their ability to breathe. The reserve of air ensures up to 10 minutes of underwater breathing time depending on the activity level of each diver and the specifics of their personal information. A pressure gauge that displays the amount of air that is in the pump is included on the SCORKL. You may place a pre-order for this item for $200. Number 6. Goduo speakers. In contrast to conventional stereo speakers, the Goduo can be used wirelessly and makes use of Bluetooth technology even when it is located at a considerable distance from the information source. The Goduo can function either independently or in conjunction with another speaker of the same kind, producing an unrivaled and powerful stereo sound that can run for a number of hours due to its powerful battery. The magnetic base of the Go pair speakers enables you to connect the speakers to each other or position them on any metal surface. In addition, the Goduo speakers are shockproof and waterproof. Plus, they come with a carrying bag that protects them and makes it easy and comfortable for you to transport them. The speakers may be pre-ordered for $79 each. Number 7. BeastGrip. This is the first adapter for cell phones that allows lenses and other photographic devices to be used. The gadget makes use of a proprietary architecture that allows the grips to be adjusted so that they are compatible with any phone. This device may be used in the manner of a conventional tripod, a convenient handle, or a specialized and multi-purpose photographic module. The gadget contains a 37mm thread for lenses and light filters or hot shoe and 5 standard grips or tripods. In addition, it comes with a number of lenses as well as a DLF converter that may be used with mirror lenses. The device's most basic configuration may be obtained for a price of $278. Number 8. Cosmo Connected. The usefulness of any helmet, even a motorcycle helmet, may be improved by installing this little gadget on the helmet. The user's movements on the road may be recorded by the device, which can then be used to construct maps of their origins. In addition to this, it features a flash that may be used to alert other drivers of its existence. In the event that the biker is involved in an accident, Cosmo Connected will be able to get in touch with the appropriate authorities and provide them with details on the collision. To begin utilizing the device, the user must first link it to their own smartphone. The cost of the device is $80. Number 9. Biki. This robot drone can travel at a maximum speed of 1.12 miles per hour and is capable of diving to a maximum depth of 196 feet. A mobile application or a specific control that works up to 10 meters underwater may be used to control the motions of the person who is being controlled. A handful of lamps are housed inside the body of the robot so that it may make recordings even in areas of the ocean where there is very little sunshine. In the event that there is an issue with the connection, the GPS module that is already installed on the robot will enable it to go back to its original location. After a full charge, you will have between 90 and 120 minutes of recording time, and the recorded data will be saved in an internal memory that is 32 gigabytes in size. The smartphone software is compatible with iOS and Android devices, and a pre-order for the underwater drone may be placed for $600. Number 10. Jabii. This boxing system has a glove that doubles as a weapon and an application that uses Bluetooth to communicate with the glove, instead of the traditional controller. The players make use of a super club that has a spring fist that can move. This is a 96cm telescoping mast that you can see here. When the mast is engaged, the stored potential energy of the springs is made available. The end consequence is more of a mild rubbing than a hard strike would have been. In any event, the mast is somewhat pliable and there are kit helmets included in the game. The price of the gadget is now set at $70. That is it for today's video. Hope you find this video useful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming alerts.